The way you clean your toilet hasn't changed in decades. Introducing Fuller Toilet Pods from the trusted Fuller Brush Company. Just drop it in and let the pod work for you. After just 10 minutes, you return and simply brush and flush. No hard scrubbing is needed. The Fuller Pod contains a variety of powerful concentrated cleansers that are activated by the water. They clean all kinds of stains and soils and helps dissolve hard water deposits. Just grab a wrapped pod from the bag and drop in. 10 minutes is all it takes. The Fuller Pods are biodegradable, septic tank safe, and made in the USA. Best of all, they're from the Fuller Brush Company, a name you know and trust.
Go to Fuller.com now to get a 24-pack of Fuller Pods. That's up to half a year's supply for just $19.95. But wait, we'll also include a second 24-pack of Fuller Pods for only $9.95. That's over 50% off. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Go to Fuller.com. Take advantage of this special TV offer.